Hello there, Windermere Prep families. My name is Matt Mason. I am the coding teacher here for grades pre-K 4 through 5th grade. So I'll pretty much see all of your little ones this year. This is my 8th year teaching at Windermere Prep. It's my 21st year teaching overall. Can't wait to get everybody in the coding room and work on some of the robots we have. For those of you connecting with Campus Connect, we've got a lot of cool apps and online coding opportunities that we'll be doing in the classroom as well. So without further ado, let me introduce you to some of the other specials teachers that you'll have this year as well.
Hi, I'm Helene Supranner. I have been here at Windermere Prep since the day the school opened back in the year 2000. This year, I am so excited to be the iLab teacher. In the Innovation Lab, I will be working with students in pre-K 4 through 5th grade, and we will be doing engineering projects. We work through the engineering design process of we have a problem, we think of a solution, we brainstorm, we build, we test, and we go back and fix again. I am so excited for the school year, and I'm looking forward to working with all of the students, whether you're here on campus in the iLab or I challenge you at home to do some engineering at your house.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie Crane. I teach pre-K 3 through 5th grade dance. This is my 11th year at Windermere Prep, and I'm looking forward to a great year.
Hello, lower school Lakers. I am Mrs. Redmond, and I am your theater teacher, where we will create all things drama. I have been back at WPS for 4 years now, and have been teaching for over 25 years and performing professionally since I was in kindergarten. I can't wait to create with you this year in our classroom or on Campus Connect. See you soon.
Hi, my name is Cameron Marcotte Snow, or Mr. Snow to the kids, and I teach art at Windermere Prep for pre-K 3 through 1st grade. And I've been a teacher here, this is my 2nd year, so not even 2 years. But this is my art room here, where all of the magic happens. A lot of creative stuff going on in this room. So if anyone has any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me or reach out at any point. Can't wait to meet everyone.
Hey guys, my name is Coach Griffiths and I'm a lower school PE teacher at Windermere Prep. I'm looking forward to the school year ahead and getting everyone active. This will be my 9th year at Windermere Prep, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in person or on Campus Connect.
Hi guys, this is Mrs. Martin here. I teach elementary art 2nd to 5th grade, and I have been here at Windermere Prep. This is my 6th year now. So I'm so excited for our year. We're gonna be creating lots of amazing things. I have materials coming home. I believe Mr. King will be dispersing them next week. So some really cool things we're gonna be working with, and really fun, exciting projects we're gonna be creating this year. So I look forward to all of the wonderful things we are going to make, and I'm excited about our year.
Hi, I'm Mr. Falcione. I'm the lower school science lab teacher for grades 1 through 5. It's my 9th year here at WPS, and I look forward to hearing from you or possibly seeing you online. And just to show you a quick little buzz of my classroom, real skulls and all kinds of real specimens for students to enjoy, and I look forward to working with them. Take care.
Hello Laker families, I'm Coach Hawk. I teach PE to pre-K 3, pre-K 4, kindergarten, and 1st grade. This is my 15th year at Windermere Prep. Absolutely love it. I love running around, being active, keeping your kids active each and every day. So we do PE in a variety of different locations here, but on the lower school campus we have the turf field, and I'll pan around. Sometimes we also use the sport court on the far playground space, and occasionally we'll make our way to the gym. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Looking forward to an amazing year, and go Lakers.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Seaman. This is my 3rd year at Windermere Prep. It is also my 27th year teaching. I will be teaching this year General Music 2, pre-K 3 through 5th grade.
Hello everyone, this is Damian Williams. I am a 2nd through 5th grade PE teacher at Windermere Prep School. This is my 13th year at Windermere Prep School and my 16th year overall in education. My classroom is literally everywhere on Windermere Prep's campus. You can find me on the lower school campus or across the street in the gym or wherever. My kids can jump, run, and play and learn about physical activity and also about social and personal responsibility. Again, I hope to see you guys soon in person. You can see me every morning at the 4th and 5th grade drop-off, or you can communicate with me online or digitally as well. God bless you. Hope to see you soon.
Mi nombre es Alicia Ochetti, and I am the Spanish teacher. This will be my 10th year of teaching at WPS and my 31 year of teaching experience. I will be teaching Spanish through the entire year in 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. And hopefully we can see face to face soon. But at the same time, if you have any question or concern, please feel free to contact me through my email. Thank you and have a wonderful day.